Hello everyone, this video is upon request. It is going to be a shamisen tutorial video based on Angine de Poitrine. Is that how you say it? Angine de Poitrine. Sarniezz is the name of the tune. So I have to look at it because I don't know how to pronounce it. But I think it's Sarniezz, I think. So I covered that tune, at least part of it, the first part of it, on shamisen, and I got a bunch of messages from fellow shamisen players around the world asking me to explain some of the microtonal stuff in the tune. Ironically, shamisen is fretless from the beginning, so the microtonal stuff is actually very natural to do. You kind of have to squeeze your fingers together, but I'll explain just the first part, and if you guys enjoyed this tutorial, I'll be happy to go on to the second part of the tune that I also played in my cover. But today I want to just focus on this first riff, the so here we have position 4, and then we have 5 and 6, which is 3 notes. But we're going to squeeze in 5 notes into the group of that 3, in the space of those 3 notes. And the last thing has a little slide, I notice. So there's different ways to do it. When I come down, and then here, sometimes I'll just use one finger because you don't want to, it's kind of tricky. So I might just do that and then continue with all 4 fingers. So what it is, we start on position 4. And then on the last note, you do a little slide up. So it's 5 notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you do that twice. The rhythm is next you go descending. And then I just slide the index finger down to get the 5th note. So all of that is in that, within that spacing there. So the next part, position 2, and up to 4, I use the pinky. That's weird, so it's easier with the pinky, right? Then ni no ito, open, and here we have just positions 3, 3 sharp, 4, and then backwards. And back down the way you came. So all of that combined. And that's it. Alright, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you didn't enjoy it, then why did you watch it? You know what I mean? Why did you even watch it? Huh? What the